In this video, I will be explaining how to determine the boiling point of the given organic liquid. So first of all, let me explain what do you mean by boiling point. So boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of that particular liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. So when these two become equal, the liquid starts to boil. So this temperature, this specific temperature is called as boiling point of that liquid. So in this experiment what we do is, we give an unknown liquid, organic liquid, and then we find out what is the boiling point of that particular liquid. So the boiling point will tell us which is that particular liquid, because boiling point is specific to a particular organic liquid. So now let us go to how to determine the boiling point by I'll be demonstrating this experiment below. Now moving on to the experimental part. First let me just tell you all what are the requirements of this experiment. So first and foremost we require this organic liquid, which is the unknown organic liquid, which we have to find out the boiling point. Then we require this round bottom flask, which is fitted with the thermometer. Then we require the stand, Bunsen burner. This round bottom flask should have a limb which is connected to the condenser. This is the condenser. And then we have the beaker to collect the liquid. So here what we do is, in this round bottom flask we have to fill the given organic liquid, and then it is heated by making use of the Bunsen burner. So whatever the liquid is there, that will be collected in the bottom, in this beaker. So these are the requirements that are required for this experiment. Now coming on to the experimental part of this experiment. So what we are doing is, we have taken the organic liquid in this RB flask. So you can see this yellow color liquid which is filled in this RB flask. Next what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to heat this liquid. So for heating the liquid, I am placing this Bunsen burner so that the liquid that is kept in the RB flask is heated. Now to avoid bumping of the liquid, what we have to do is, we have to add boiling chips in the RB flask. So what is the next step is, as it is heated, we need to concentrate on the temperature that is shown by the thermometer. So now we have to see when this liquid will start boiling. So just we have to observe when this liquid will start boil and convert it into vapors, and the vapors start collecting in the beaker. Now if you can observe, you can see the liquid has started boiling, and you can also see that the vapors are getting formed within the RB flask. You can see the walls of the RB flask, you can see the vapors that are being formed. Now these vapors will pass from the RB flask and it will move to the condenser. In the condenser, the vapors will condense and the liquid, the pure liquid, will be collected in the beaker. So the constant temperature at which the vapors get collected in the beaker, that is because of the boiling of the liquid, that constant temperature is called the boiling point of that liquid. So we need to identify, or we need to note this constant temperature, and we have to report it as the boiling point of that particular liquid. So here you can observe that the liquid has passed from the condenser and then it is getting collected in the beaker. So at this point we need to identify what is the temperature, what is the constant temperature that is shown by the thermometer. So the temperature is noted in the thermometer. It is showing 212 degrees Celsius, which is a constant temperature at which this liquid is boiling and the vapors are passing through the condenser and the pure liquid is getting collected in the beaker. So this constant temperature is referred to as the boiling point of this given liquid. So we are done with the experimental determination of boiling point. Now we have to do certain simple calculations. So boiling point, that is the actual boiling point, is equal to observed boiling point plus 3% correction. So why do we need to do this 3% correction? This 3% correction mainly depends on the altitude of the place where you conduct this experiment. We know that the boiling point depends on the altitude of that particular place. So as we are performing this experiment in Bangalore, Bangalore is 3000 feet above sea level. So based on how many feet the particular place is above sea level, we need to put this 3% correction. So for 1000 feet, above the sea level, 1% correction. So same way, since Bangalore is located 3000 feet above the sea level, we need to add 3% correction. So the observed boiling point as we have done in the experiment, it is 212 degrees Celsius plus 3% correction we need to add. So how to add this 3% correction? So percentage, as we have calculated, we know that out of 100, 3% is the correction. So what is the percentage? What is 3% of 212? So when we calculate it, we get the value as 6.36. So 6.36 is 3% of the observed boiling point. So what we have to do? The 3% correction has to be added to 212 degrees Celsius. So 212 plus 6.36 will give you the total value of 218.36 degrees Celsius. So 218.36 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of the given organic liquid. So in this video I have explained how to determine the boiling point of the given organic liquid by experimental method, and I have also explained how to do the simple calculations in order to find the actual boiling point of the given liquid. So thank you all for watching